In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play the Forest VR on Oculus Quest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Forest is available in virtual reality, so if you go over to the official Steam page for the game, you will be able to see it here, VR supported. So to set it up, you will have to run the game on your PC and then stream it over to your headset, so you will need a gaming PC in order to get this done. You cannot play it using only the Quest 3 headset. So first, you have to download the MetaQuest application. You will be able to find the MetaQuest Link app on their official website. So look for MetaQuest Link and download the app from here. Once you have the app set up, the other things that you are going to need are Steam VR and possibly Steam Link. Steam Link makes it so you can access your Steam library directly from the headset, so it makes the process a whole lot easier. Once you have the Forest downloaded on your PC alongside Steam VR and the MetaQuest Link application, and finally Steam Link on the headset itself, you are ready to connect the headset to the PC. There are two main ways of doing this. The one that I would recommend is using the link cable, so this is going to be the first option. The link cable is going to be a direct connection, so there won't be any sort of latency introduced. However, you might have to purchase a high quality cable and that can be expensive. Another option is to use AirLink, which is a wireless connection method. Because of this, some latency can be introduced, especially if you are far away from the router or your internet speeds are not the best, so choose whichever one you prefer according to your preferences. Inside of the MetaQuest Link application, you will sign into your account and then choose Devices at the left. Once you select Devices, choose the option to add a new headset and follow through with the prompts here. Choose the Class 3 headset, choose the connection type once more, and then you will once again get instructions on what you have to do, depending on the connection type that you chose. Immediately upon selecting it and connecting it, following those instructions, you will get the status as active. If it says active, you are good to go. If any of these is giving you errors, then you should troubleshoot to see what's wrong. Now, on the headset itself, go over to Quest Link, and you will be able to choose your PC, assuming that you are using AirLink. If you have a direct connection with a cable, then it is going to be available on the list right away. And with this done, you can either open Steam Link on the headset and choose to run the Forest, or simply run the Forest on your PC alongside Steam VR, and it is going to be streamed over to the headset. I hope I was able to help you on how to play the Forest VR on Oculus Quest 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.